With the winter weather in the Ozarks, driving conditions have been impacted, of course, trying to navigate that first snowstorm of the season. Tonight, Ozarks First Parker Paget live from our storm tracker. Parker, you've been out following the impacts all day.
Yeah, right now we're heading northbound on Glenstone. You can see kind of what Jamie was alluding to earlier, the precipitation. We're still waiting on that second round of some light snow. You can see the roads are clear. They do appear a little wet with the freezing temperatures. You're going to always drive with a little more precaution in case you do run into a slick spot. Now, it has been a busy day for first responders. I was able to get some data from Springfield Police. They tell me since 7 a.m. they responded to 70 crashes. That was as late as this afternoon. That information, and the Highway Patrol says from 8 to noon today, they had over 120 calls for service. Been a busy day for drivers and first responders across southwest Missouri.
Anytime that we have inclement weather, particularly in the wintertime, we're going to have slide-off, stranded motorists, and crashes.
It's been a busy day for first responders across Missouri with the first snowstorm of the season.
The frequency that it came down was a little bit surprising earlier this morning.
For the Missouri State Highway Patrol, that means more calls in a smaller amount of time.
From 8 o'clock until noon today, we responded to approximately 130 calls for service. 80 of those were non-injury crashes with about 17 injuries.
Sergeant Mike McClure with the Highway Patrol says drivers should still take precautions on the road.
It is a common first snow inclement weather event where people have not had time to modify their driving behaviors or get used to what the weather's going to bring in the wintertime.
For MoDOT, the ones taking care of the roads, everyone's working 12 on and 12 off.
We've got every available operator out there taking care of the roads. Not a lot of plowing, but a lot of treating going on, a little bit of plowing.
Jimmy Shannon with MoDOT says crews have done some traffic work, but aren't immune to the road conditions themselves.
We've had a few incidents that have occurred, mainly driving too fast for conditions, but all in all, things have gone pretty well. We've had a few spin outs and a few crashes, but nothing unusual.
Shannon says the first storm of this winter season allows the group to prepare for harsher weather down the road.
It gives us a chance to, our new operators do a ride along, so they can go out and ride with an experienced operator and then have that experienced operator ride with them, give them a comfort level and make sure we're comfortable with them behind the plow.
And a reminder, this is what it looks like right now. We are northbound on Glenstone, just north of Battlefield. You can see still a lot of people trying to make that commute home, but make sure you drive with a little extra caution, again, with the freezing temps and some wet spots. And you can always check on road conditions in your area by going to the MoDOT Traveler map, or if you live in Arkansas, go to idrivearkansas.com. Reporting live from the Storm Tracker, Parker Paget, Ozarks First.